Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, the reason why we like promoting the $25 business here is because it's recurring commissions, 80% recurring commission. Fantastic. It's a fantastic deal. And so for example, somebody pay $25, I get $20 of it, and so on and so forth, right? So that's the reason we promote it. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, what we're gonna do is look up here. Oh, it looks like some bad news here. We lost $1 payment. Totally fine, you have to roll with that. But let's refresh the page to make sure it's real results, so you guys can see that I'm showing you real results of what I'm doing. You know what I mean? Yes, it is real results. Not only did we not get a sale, we lost the $100 payment. Sometimes that happens, guys, when it comes to affiliate marketing. And as you can see, I'm gonna show you when bad news happens to me as well. It's just gonna happen. You have to be able to roll with them punches, though. You have to be able to keep going. You know what I mean? Because sometimes that'll happen, and you're gonna feel like quit when stuff like that happens, right? When you start getting some momentum, and then all of a sudden it just seems like the next month it just dies. You can't give up on it. Can't give up on it. It slows down. And the reason why mine slowed down so bad because I stopped promoting it for like over 3. So a lot of people in the system kind of left. You know what I mean? And you gotta keep it up. You gotta keep it up. So anyway, guys, we're gonna move over here. Which we want to get you is this link right here, all-in-one business sales letter, $25 package. That's the one we're gonna use. That's the one I use particularly. What's that gonna take? And once you click on my link in the description, incomespeech.com, it's gonna take you to this page here. It'll take you to this page. You can read about the system and stuff. You get paid 80% commissions, guys. 80% commission. Fantastic. 80% of the commissions. Fantastic, just for $25. Not that hard to promote. This is the best product to promote in 2023, 2024, last year. It's 80% recurring commission is just the highest I have ever heard, period. All right, guys. Anyway, once you click on, like, you decide you want to go in, you just click on yes, I want in, and you just put in your information, blah blah blah. And for clicking on my link here, you can try this for free, which is this is training that's constantly updated, plus AI content creation machine. So yeah, you can use that all to like kind of start your journey and kind of get something going. All right, guys. All right. So that's all there is to that. Now we need to promote this, and the way I promote this, guys, is using My Lead Gen, because it's just the absolute easiest way to promote this product. I'm gonna show you how. Basically, My Lead Gen Secrets gets a bunch of leads from people who are interested in making money online. They're interested in making money online. That's all. All right. You have to sell the product to them through emails, and consistency is the best way to do it. More so than what your emails say. Consistency to keep sending emails is how you build up. Alright, guys. So do that, and you'll be. Anyway, we're just gonna load up I sent already. I'm gonna load up one of these emails here. Just gonna keep moving here, and load up one of my old emails here. Working. Blah blah blah. So you can read that if you want to, and you'll be able to post, type it out. Just pause the videos. I'm gonna show the whole email real quick. I personally wrote these emails myself, so you can so I didn't get it from somewhere. I wrote them myself, so you can copy them from me if you want. That, boom. Just put your link right here, guys. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What that does, send the email around time people check emails. Make sure your email works. Your link works with the preview here. Make sure your link works. and goes to the site you want it to go to, goes to this right here. Make sure it works, and then you send an email. You could try other products as well, but I think this works the best because it's recurring commissions. All right, guys. That's all there is to it. It only took me about 5 minutes to make this video for you guys. It take about 30 seconds to do, especially when you get all the emails in here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.